Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard for Sizzix, and I would like to introduce you to the Sizzix Big Shot machine. Now this is the white and gray machine, and you might have seen one of our previous machines, the teal, the pink and black, or maybe even the Sizzix Big Kick, that pretty periwinkle. But the best part to know about all of these machines is every single one works the exact same way. Now, it's gonna come with 2 cutting pads, and I like to refer to these as the bread because we're gonna make sandwiches every time we run something through the machine. It's also gonna come with an extended platform. We call this the Multipurpose Platform, and it has all of this information on here. I call this our cheat sheet. And I'm gonna lift this tab up, and it's gonna show me more information about what products to use, and even one more tab for other Sizzix products. So it's really handy to have right next to you. Now, the Sizzix Big Shot machine can cut and emboss, and there are a multitude of products you can use with your machine. Now, over here, we have a lot of different products. We have cardboard, we have chipboard, we have cork, we have foil, we have felt. Anything scissors can cut, our Bigs dies can cut. Now, let's look at the Bigs dies. Now, you might have the Sizzix original machine, the one with the lever that goes like this, and if you do, you might have the yellow, the red, or the blue dies. Now those dies will fit in the Sizzix Big Shot machine, which is fantastic, right? Then we have the Bigs original dies, the Bigs dies, the Bigs L dies, and the Bigs XL dies. And if you're a quilter, we have these big, large 25-inch dies that will fit in the Big Shot machine. Isn't that fantastic? Now we also have different kinds of dies that are thinner. These dies will cut cardstock, paper, vellum, and even wool felt. So exciting. We have our embosslets, we have our sizzlets, we have our decorative strips, and then we have our Sizzix framelets and thinlets, these nice thin dies. And last but certainly not least, we have our embossing folders, perfect for adding texture to your cardstock and your paper. So if you don't have the Big Shot machine in your craft room, you definitely need to get one because you know what? I think everybody needs one.